Hello everyone, this is the group 5. My name is Jingying Chen. We had made some changes to current Bizome Learning Center website, and today I will show you our workflows that how we made these changes. We start from the project management. I will introduce some tools we used for the project management. For our group, members can check their tasks and working progress clearly. We choose to use Trello board to distribute tasks and understand the number of our tasks. For example, we can assign Junyi to do the theme and homepage of our state, and we can simply change the take situation from doing to done by dragging the text curves. GitHub is also a powerful tool for our to update our project progress. And every member can access to it to add our delete details by committing and parsing. I think Trello is more like a visual tool than GitHub that we can have a whole view of our project, which will be very easy for us to do this project management.
Hello everyone, my name is Long Junjie. The next I will talk about group communication. So the first we use WeChat to communicate and share voice by typing or voice. Because use Discord require a VPN, there is a lot of uncertainty, and now all 6 members are in China. Therefore, WeChat is currently the most convenient app we use. In the first meeting, everyone on the team share a rough vibe decided by Miro, with each section decided by the person who voted best. In the following meeting, the overall color size and arrangement will determined. We not only discussion on WeChat, but also update everyone's work progress and Trello. Our weekly focus is to share our progress and question. Then we solve the problem together and finally upload them to GitHub. Thank you, everyone.
Hi, I'm Yue Cao, and I'm going to talk about the settings of our environment. First, I choose to use a foreign server on Linode, which is located in Singapore, so the lecturers can access to our website more easily. And we also bought a domain name in name Silo. Then I set the DNS record of the domain name by using the Cloudflare, which is free for use. So the domain name can set on the server we bought correctly. And if it go into effect, then we can access to our server through the domain name. Based on the HTTP's web service, we need to connect to the default port 80 of the server. So we installed the Nginx service to achieve this. And we all know that WordPress is a CMS which developed by PHP. So we have to install and deploy PHP environment on our server. Then we completed the communication settings between Nginx and FastCGI as well, and build a MyCircle database to store the users' information of their registrations. At last, we upload the WordPress install pack through the SFTP protocol, then access to the domain name we bought, and finish install WordPress according to the system's reminder. This is our whole progress to set the environment ready before we start to work.
Hello everyone, my name is Yang Junyi and my duty in this group is to assist our group leader to design the homepage. Before we started our work, we had a discussion with all group members. Everyone contributed personal opinions about this homepage's element after referring various of companies' websites, especially those companies which engage in education. Finally, we designed the basic elements of our homepage, and most of them had achieved in the presented work. But the process of making this page was not a smooth going. At first, we made a big mistake that edited the content of the home page in the wrong place. It should be edited in the operation page of site edit, but not page edit. So when we realized this mistake, we had to accept the fact that all of our initial works were just in vain, which was a heartbreaking moment. And we tried to find some resolutions to transplant it. The first solution is abandoning the previous work and just edit the homepage again with WordPress's default editor. But sooner we found that the default editor has many limitations which hindered us to achieve the same outlooks and functions like previous work does, such as the slider. Thus, we chose another effective way using a plugin which is called Elementor to transplant our homepage. Finally, it did work. From the experience of this time, we recognize that we need to make ourselves more familiar with WordPress, more so that we can avoid many mistakes in the following days. That's all of my presentation. Thanks for listening.
Hello everyone, I'm Jinlu. I will introduce a plugin we use when developing our project. We use a total of 5 plugins named Nice Page, Elementor, Elementor Pro, Elementor Header and Footer Builder, and WP Forms. In the beginning, we used Nice Page, but it was abandoned due to some issue not being able to display the page correctly in WordPress. In order to fix the display problem of the page, we use Elementor to redo the page. Elementor Pro is used to edit page with some advanced features. Then we use Elementor Header and Footer Builder for editing the header and footer of our website. In the end, use WP Forms to create a form that allows users to sign up for the Baidu Learning Center. Most of content and images were given by client, and our goal is to make the website able to attract more young students and their parents to the Baidu Learning Center.
Now I will show you how we can modify the site and work together. With our team members scattered across the country, we were unable to talk face-to-face. Therefore, we opted for online co-editing, which greatly improved the assignment of our goals and objectives. First, we can use WordPress for editing, previewing, and so on. Second, we can effectively assign the mission to each team member. For each page, we divide it into each team members. And you may see other people work while editing to achieve background font photo uniformity. So editing online have greatly improved our convenience. We can change the job at any time. So you can add the titles and put some text or images. There is our site. There's homepage and about us, classes, schedules, registrations, and for the content site pages, we add the map on onto this site, and it's clear to see it. Where is it? Thank you.